Yep. Let's continue Python for AWS data engineering team. In this, let's see Python installation on Windows operating system and first Python program using Python shell or Python prompt or IDLE. So let's start installing Python team. So as part of installation, we are going to download Python. We are going to install Python. We are going to set Python path variable. Then finally, we are going to verify Python is installed or not. Open any web browser. So here I am opening Google Chrome. You can open any web browser. Then search Python download. Python download. Then you can see first link called python.org. In this, double click on this download Python. You can see Python latest version. So at this point of time, Python version is Python 14.12. When you download, when you install, version may be different. At this point of time, Python 3.14.2 is the latest version. Let me click on this Python 3.14.2. Then it will start downloading. Click on start download. Download is completed. Open download location. Then double click on this downloaded file. Double click on this downloaded file, and very important point, most of the people directly clicks this one tip. Do not click directly this one. So first 1, 2, and then 3. Okay. Click on this one, click on this one, then click on this one. Okay. So let me add Python to path variable. See here, these two steps. We are doing these two steps, installation and set variable in a single step. So for this one, what we are doing, we are selecting add path variable, use admin privileges, then install Python. Click on yes button. It will open a pop-up window. Click on yes button. Then it will start installing. Sorry. Let's wait a few seconds to complete this installation team. So we are installing Python 3.14.2. Yeah, installation is successful. Click on close button. Then I want to verify whether Python was installed or not. Open terminal. In search bar, type a CMD. Then you can see command prompt. Press enter. Then in this terminal, type Python space hyphen capital V or Python space hyphen version. So it will display installed Python version. We have installed Python 3.14.2, right? Same version it is showing. Now we can confirm Python was installed successfully into our machine. Then now let's start writing first Python program using Python shell. Python shell or Python prompt or ideally. So to start a Python shell, type a Python command. When you type a Python command, it will start a Python, opens a Python prompt. So this is Python prompt. Three greater than symbols. This is Python prompt. This is also called Python shell, and this is also called IDLE. IDLE stands for Interactive Development and Learning Environment. Interactive Development and Learning Environment. Here we can write Python statements. Let's say I'm writing Python statements like print welcome to Python world. Yeah, print. This is Akkem Sreenivas. I am your Python trainer. Then I'm writing A equal to 10, B equal to 20, result equal to 10 plus, sorry, A plus B. Then print A, print B, print result. So in this way, we write Python programs in Python shell or Python prompt. Clear writing how to install Python on Windows operating system and how to write Python programs in Python shell. Okay.